So for me, the non-state regional organizations are like the independent groups that addresses cross-borders issues like humanitarian aid, environmental protection, and human rights by mobilizing resources, influencing policies, and filling gaps by left governments. They play a key role in promoting cooperation, stability, and development. So the Red Cross started when John Henry Dunant saw many soldiers suffering after the Battle of Solferino in 1859. Like, siya ang nag-organize sa mga nag-volunteers para makatabang sa international group to protect care for war victims. Like, moto siya ang naka-lead sa Red Cross in 1863 and the Geneva Conventions. So, karon ang Red Cross kay nag-continue gihapon sila nga maghatag og humanitarian aid to worldwide with values of natural and humanity. Like, for example, in Peru, Rainforest Foundation has partnered with indigenous group to map their ancestral lands, helping them gain legal titles and protect their forests from illegal logging and mining. This not only secures the community's rights but also preserves biodiversity and combats climate change. So the Rainforest Foundation was created in 1988 by Sting and Toddy Tyler. So sila ang nag-protect sa Kayapo people sa Brazil. And the rainforest from deforestation and cultural loss. Ay pangkauna nilang success is in 1993 kay naka-ano na sila og legal protection. Ug also naka-highlight sa vital role of indigenous communities in protecting biodiversity. So since then, the forest has grown across South America, Africa, and Asia, working with local communities to defend their rights. So, ga-promote sila og sustainable development para maka-fight sa ilang deforestation. So, the fourth part is Migrant Forum in Asia, or in short, MFA, is a regional network formed to protect rights and welfare of migrant workers. Like, for those nga naka-experience og discrimination and weak legal protections. It was founded, I think, in early 1990s. It brings together NGOs, trade unions, and advocates to push for human rights, social justice, and gender equality. So the Commonwealth of Nations was founded in 1949 as a group of 56 countries with shared historical and cultural ties. Ga represent over 2.5 billion people and works together to promote peace, democracy, and human rights and economic development while fostering global cooperation as a family of nations. So the my example here is in Malaysia. Like other members kay ga benefit sila sa cooperation sa trade, education, and cultural exchange and policies within Commonwealth nations.